Tell the sister don't get weary. Tell them to be strong. And tell the brethren to be ready. Father Gideon, too many years in Babylon. So many years we've been living wrong. Together, yes, you know we'll be strong. Tear down the walls of Babylon. Never wanna see the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youth them die. I don't wanna hear your alibis. Tell them it's Selassie. Never wanna see the youth them die. And I don't wanna see the youth them cry. I don't wanna see the youth them die. Tell them it's Selassie.
Everyone want to receive and no one wants to give. No one want to small, everyone wants to big. No one want to die, well everyone wants to live. What does it take to big? What does it take to live? What does it take to give? Just think positive, yo. What does it take to give? What does it take to give? What does it take to live? Think positive and innocent.
I tell my people don't be weary. The Gideon is on. And tell the soldiers to be ready. I and I must always stand strong. Together we fight the war and win. Cause victory is must. Yes, we going out there in the battlefield, putting Babylon on down. Never wanna see the youth them die. Never wanna hear the youth them cry. Never wanna hear your alibis. Tell them it's Selassie. Never wanna see the youth them die. Never wanna hear the youth them cry. No one to hear your alibis. Tell them it's Selassie. If they would listen to the emperor, then this world would be better. But because they denied the comforter, then this whole world is burning in fire. Never wanna hear, never wanna hear.
This on the streets, loyalty, it's unity. Causing the problem in the community. Yeah, kicks last side, yeah, see it again,
Never wanna hear the youth them cry. Never wanna see the youth them die. Never wanna hear.
Yo, Luciano, tell us something. What it is?
Wicked Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible.
I'm gonna burn them in the face and the treble. I'm gonna burn them mad gun they and them treble. Yo!
Wicked Babylon terrible.
Get the man say.
Burn them because them horrible.
Alright. Burn them with the face and the treble. Burn them mad gun they with the pepper. Alright. Fireman a blaze and burn them man done. So we not gaze we burn them man done. Burn Ice Age and burn them man done. Fire can't gauge we burn them man done. Burn the dopey and the grave and burn them man done. Till I see I will praise and burn them man. Tell them open up their ears and burn them man. Burn them man. Luciano say. got to go and get what's mine. Don't stop my flow, don't let stop my shine. I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonder the sign. I got to go and get what's mine. Can't stop my flow, then it stop my shine. Cause I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonder the sign. I'm gonna gun them mad, gun them with the president again. The Babylon terrible. Yeah, the man said, gun them because them are rebel. Alright, gun them from the base and the treble. I'm gonna just go gun them mad, gun them with the president. Alright, wait the time and tell the people Babylon has so the pure evil. Burn them down to dust and down to gravel. All Eden and she then start marvel. Babylon a burn, Babylon a burn down. Babylon a burn, Babylon a burn down. Yaga, 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 Anthony B and Luciano, rise up, Rastabana. We never leave the room, never. Now leave the room. Now sell out. We love that from the room, from foundation, the room. How when me say, never gonna sell out my roots. No, I nah live like no roast bread fruit. Never gonna sell out my culture. Come on now, Rasta forever, and now we are born the vulture. Lion can't tame, Zion can't pop down. Wear me not the Congo, now go shave and cut the top down. Fi find the food, the bubble juggle in a the hot sun. Don't go rob nobody, but me got done your man. Can't leave the room, we can't leave the room. Sell out, sell out. We love Jah from the room. No Rastafari. Yes, the root. Yeah, Mr. Singer. I say without the root, the tree can't stand up firm. Without the foundation, the building can't firm. Put King Selassie as your concern, and then we find you out a road and you're worm. If you no put in no work, then all you expect to earn. Hide from school, you can't learn. Remember about you. The root. You have been new. Now leave the root. We looked out from the root. The root. How are you saying? This is a mighty combination to unite the nation. And Tony B and think of all the man. And we have tried it from foundation, from the root. Now leave the root. We looked up from the root. Yes, the root. Stay real. Say this is not the time. No time for joking. It's a spiritual war we're fighting. And we know we must win. Now lose the battle. Stand up in our tabernacle. And when them come with them guns and nunchuckles, on the football field them can't tackle. We now leave the room. We look out from the room. From foundation. Can't leave the room. No doubt. I have wasted my time. Wasted my time? Well,
to deal with mankind.
And that's a very hard thing to do.
But it tickles on the back of my mind.
Scratch.
Well, just to leave this world behind.
And then I would have fly like a bird.
I guess I'm not the only one.
Not the only one.
Like to see mankind living in tranquility.
You and I, T.Y. Sure.
And if only we agree,
Come together.
we can live in unity.
Like sisters and brothers.
We're all in this thing together. Then can't we all just live as one? Whoa. We're all like birds of one feather. It's time to live as one.
So me say hands and heart and harmony. Loving one another, what a sight to say. Peace and love and unity. And that me want in my community. Oh yes, it would be nice to see the kids in the park running round together without gunshot above. And it would be nice to see the enemies attack, preaching peace without no lying on them heart. Let's get together, make we get things done. Man from south, west, east and north. Cause I would never wanna see you get caught when God Almighty shall be pouring his wrath. So me say,
We're all in this thing together. Can't we all just live as one? We're all like birds of one feather. It's time to live as one.
so me ask God, give me the strength and give me the energy. And make me talk to me family. And each and every wicked man on the follow me. Judgment it I go pretty, iniquity. Unity is strength and the strength is the power. And if you get the power, then you unite together. We can't believe some man a kill for power and show up. This one I say I'm a black brother on the follow.
We're all in this thing together. Can't we all just live as one? Whoa. We're all like birds of one feather. Yes, it's time we live as one.
Come they sing say hands and heart and harmony. Loving one another, what a sight to say. Peace and love and unity. And that me want in my community. So me sing say, give me the strength and give me the energy. And make me talk to me family. And each and every wicked man on the follow me. Judgment in our pretty, iniquity.
We're all in this thing together. Yes, it's time we live as one. We're all like birds of one feather. Yes, it's time we live as one.
Nice to see the kids on the farm, running all together without gunshot to fall. And it would be nice to see the enemies attack, preaching peace without the law in their heart. Get the selfie strong. Hold your back in a motion one more time.
What's wrong, mankind?
What's wrong with our people?
Are we losing our minds?
Think about it. What do I say?
So much war and crime.
Unnecessary.
Getting out of line.
Save your divine.
What's the use for fighting all the time?
What is the use?
It's best for us to unite.
Why not come together and be a united force to reckon with?
So much to lose if we don't leave the strife behind. And walk into your life.
Who's your Banton say? Are you gonna change? Are you gonna stay the same? People need to realize their aim and the tempo strength as the leaders playing their game. Will things ever be the same? Well, Well, are you gonna change? Are you gonna stay the same? The people realize their aim and the temper straight as the leaders play their games. Will things ever be the same?
Why be unkind to your fellow man?
Why can't you show some love and kindness?
Distress and pain
to each and every man,
spreading across the land.
Peace and happiness, you know.
It's the same blood that rolls through our veins.
Hear that?
All this killing is a shame. Stop this sacrilege. Apply some knowledge. It's about time we make a change.
Tell them no, Lou.
What we got to do to make the leaders understand?
There must be something we can do to make this. See the plight of the people. Realize them can't go on stupid no more.
We got to come together,
This
my
generation
people,
will not
make
have
a
it.
stand.
What am I
Spread the
saying?
love across the land.
What am I saying?
Oh,
Lord, realizing our fake, life can be so great. Lend an helping and put a smile on your face. Why should we annihilate when we cannot create? Why the leaders of the country refuse to move straight? Search their skills, who is to be blamed? The ignorance them seeking fame, the poor man feel the pain. And all who can't take it from the pan aeroplane. From the hardship and strain, no one greet one another in the streets anymore. Peace and famine are just rich and poor. Put to the man and send that tune, it really hardcore. Luciano, slow some more.
so long, so long, so long.
Our pain and our pounds.
And time will make us stand. Wake up and live. You got to, I got to, oh no, we got to, yeah. In this troubled world,
Yeah, man, you're right.
so much
We are awake now, we are awake now. You know?
in this troubled time,
Yeah, man, one strong thing, you know.
we got to live mankind. In this troubled world, with so much undermined.
Only love could
In
have bring.
this struggling time, it's time to live up mankind.
Listen.
You gave us this word for us to wake up and live and share the world. You got to wake up and give.
This is what it is. Truly, it is a must for us to love and live in one accord. Sing, don't you go and ruling or lonely of yourself, so then you get caught in so many things. Yeah, only love could have bring.
This is the time, now is the hour.
Oh yeah, with my best of our potential, you know.
We got the mind, we got the power.
Try your life forever, yeah.
Yeah, blessed are that I could discover. Oh yeah, come along, let's unite and shake Babylon and Sunday.
Within my heart, yeah, we give thanks for the bringing forth of all good and responsible thought. Praise all your lifelong, oh yeah. With this doing of righteousness, no one could ever go lost. Yet we all know every receive the soul, it's all be given. It is for I and I to go and ask. Never give you energy unto the evilest practices. This is an impossible wrong.
My God, you gave us this word for us to live and unite. So whether if you're black or if you're yellow or white, one job, one God, one aim, one destiny. Clean up your heart and soul, set your spirit free.
Speaking of righteousness, as the wind that blows the top. One love black people, that is the way to rid the fault. Not until they buried with the feelings of the heart. They won't know good birds, no what. They search for a place of peace. a must for us to love and live in one accord. I sing down you go and ruling and rolling of yourself, so then you get caught in so many things, y'all.
In this troubled world with so much on my mind. In this
yeah, I watch you, I watch you. Strength, them falling, man. Babylon go on, I think I rope could have saved them. Upliftment for I and I. You just upliftment for the people my defend right now. Last year, right on. Do you feel the vibes of time? Do you see clear? Have you ever felt there's much more in life for you out there?
It's not bitterness, though you might be going through stress. Always remember,
all shall be well.
you're feeling justice wrong. I'm begging you to be strong. Always remember,
all shall be well.
if you don't believe a word I say, just what you see, the goddess I've never seen.
And I know someone will have to pay, and not one of our children shall beg their bread. Whatever results, we're ready to do thy will. Our biggest task is stopping blood from spill.
Let the people rejoice, our souls ignite, our hearts open. 'Cause it's not bitterness, now you might be going through stress. Always remember,
All shall be well.
you're feeling justice wrong. I'm begging you to be strong. Always remember,
All shall be well.
the motherless and fatherless, those in distress, have mercy on the merciless. Never curse each
Like
other.
Christ, evil unrest, the children face unhappiness. No man curse, so the Father bless. I tell them, tongues will have to confess, come on.
It's not bitterness, now you might be going through stress. Always remember,
All shall be well.
you're feeling justice wrong. I'm begging you to be strong. Always remember,
All shall be well.
keep a smile, take it easy. Don't let them confuse you. Don't let them use and abuse you. Many will come and the chosen of you.
Yeah. So while you journey, I know Jah go with you. There Emmanuel wait with a smiling face. Alright, yeah. I said, oh, while you journey, may the Most High go with you. Yeah, so I see I wait with a smile, a smiling face. All shall be well.
All shall be well.
The solution. Too much of the lies and the pollution. Yo, it's bound to kill along with Mitch, and the system is a bitch. Yo, the leaders them a snitch. Watch them like some kingfish. Yo, check this. More money for the poor and the rich. Yo,
Don't you know?
don't they?
We're talking about a revolution now.
The people hangry so they miserable.
Don't you know?
Now no mercy.
We're talking about a revolution
Talking about some education and some jobs. So for the children name poor people fed up. No matter if you're green or blue or if you're red up. Fire we a burn that no mean you have to dread up. The whole of we a live a burden heavy like lead up. Sufferation no know nothing name better. And the leaders them a plan for living in the gutter. How much have to dead and how much more have to suffer. Instead I get smooth every day it get rougher. Cross.
Don't you know?
Don't they know?
We're talking about a revolution now. Hey, don't you know?
Triple standard.
We're talking about a revolution now.
Stand down.
Hey,
Tell them this.
God, they couldn't be no friend of mine.
Could
Their
never.
intention is to disrupt mankind. Those unscrupulous people doing unscrupulous deeds. They don't even care if their actions
deeds.
receive.
The garrison is where you'll find exactly what poverty will do to the mind. So we always look it on the road. We have put it to before it's a crime. So life is on the line. Don't you know? We're talking about a revolution now.
I'm yelling it all.
Don't you know? We're talking about a revolution
them systems on the
now.
Them and them drink well, poor people know at the time we get up. I will some more fish and break down at the setup. Every day another body man come take up. Go to my future, them a plan to wake up. This a black man now go take things lightly. Now surrender, so prepare to fight me. I feel reach it up, me have Jahja beside me. Not prepare for success, it's best you avoid me. Cross,
don't you know?
They already know that
talking about a revolution now. Hey, oh yeah, don't you know? We're talking about a revolution now. Hey, oh, don't you know? We're talking about a revolution now. Hey, oh yeah, don't you know?
I want some marijuana. Police are come, them off his blood and learn from on ya. A murder in the streets, murder. Bad boys and police, a murder in the streets, murder.
Wow, how the quickest thing to get ready for. Enemies have to go harm. And willing to fight it by any car. Enemy harm. Even your so-called friends with no conscience. Hear my terms. And then you feel proud of yourself that somebody else get a death sentence.
A murder in the streets, murder. Bad boys and police, a murder in the streets, murder. A murder in the streets, murder. Bad boys and police, a murder in the streets, murder. Before sunrise, you shall hear them cry. When the dogs them a bark and the out them a fly, and the dark force of evil suddenly amplify. Police always come late. When the citizen call them see a man harm them. Them kill a man in front time gate for nothing. A murder in the street, murder. Bad boys and police, a murder in the streets, murder. Me and the youth them on the church, a bunch of marijuana. Hey, police are come, them off his blood and learn from on ya.
Wow, how the quickest thing to get ready for. Enemies have to go harm. And willing to fight it by any car. Enemy harm. Even your so-called friends with no conscience. Hear my terms. And then you feel proud of yourself that somebody else get a death sentence.
A murder in the streets, murder. Bad boys and police, a murder in the streets, murder.
Charlie have to move mystically. Starting one. When you are treading earth, you have to know the hills and the valley. I can see it's a spiritual warfare. It's going on around here. Man and woman, pull up your socks and try again. I know what's going on around here. Well, if it's not a conflict, it's still a war. Make sure say you're not unfit. The enemy no fall. I cha-cha in my handpick. Who and him is smart. The chosen will be few years start. And we will travel in a one accord and a car. Starting
Rasta no secret, off it out the truth. War run up for living, stop kill off the youth. Free up every innocent you ever execute. You and them no agree or no go shoot. Them destroy all the branches, heading for the road. No one for see we plantation, not bear no fruit. No one they get to youth, so we they tie them on the sword. Them no one we shot, them one we mute.
I can see it's a spiritual warfare. It's going on around here. Man and woman, pull up your socks and try again. I know what's going on around here. Well, if it's not a conflict, it's still a war. Make sure say you're not unfit, the enemy no fall. I'll judge him a handpick, who and him be smart. The chosen will be few years start, and we will travel in a one accord and a car. Studying one.
We not trust them, we not trust them. If them want to call we life, we are go first them. We not trust them, we not trust them. From a demon them a worship, we not trust them. We not trust them, we not trust them. Them no officer will prosper, adjust them. We not trust them, we not trust them. Beyond the conquering line, I figure rush them and crush them and make me flush them. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust them. Give it up. Rasta on the secret, off it off the truth. War no for living, stop kill off the youth. Free up every innocent you ever execute. You and them no agree, you all go shoot. Them destroy every branches, heading for the road. No one visit the plantation, no bear the fruit. No one to get to youth, we are the tie them on the suit. Them no one we talk, them one we mute.
Yeah, we do give thanks to the dawning of the morning. What a bliss.
Burn them down. Are you ready?
You wanna make a
burn them down. Man, I burn them down.
Yeah. They don't know love and honesty. That's why they're creating smart animosity. Oh, they love to promote calamity. Fireman burn them out from out the city. Never burning fire.
Too bad mind, you go burn them. If bank crime, you go burn them. Them a play 69, you go burn them. Why you do the dirty wine, you go burn them. Burn them with me, now you bring the drum them. Me say we next month mind, you go burn them. Burn them, and them gun them. Yeah, me fireman, turn it up.
Hey, them no got no loving on them heart. That's why them get up on a dart. But a long time this a fire start. Moses searcher than the Red Sea part. This a one is like dagger to them heart. Burn them up before them talk. Dirty Babylon, this a your fault. Burn them, take the money out of the vault.
And I burn them in the east, and I burn them. Them a live like a beast, and I burn them. They no honest them teeth, burn them. Me say for them a free, burn them. If them diss me this week, burn them. If them diss me last week, burn them. They burn them. Yo, yeah. Burn them. Burn them down. Man, I burn them down. Burn them. Burn them. Burn them down. I am gonna burn them down. Burn them. Yeah, man, I burn them. Them gun them. Yeah, man, I burn them. I'm gonna run them. I'm gonna burn them with me. Now I bring it jump them. I'm gonna burn them. Gun them. Burn them. And done them. Yeah, yeah, me. Burn them down. Burn them down. Fire, man, I burn them down. Burn them, man, I burn them down. Burn them, burn them, burn them. Burn them on the left, burn them on the right. And I live right. For them I fight, move too high. Man, I praise and pick eyes. Fire, man, because I run it out the life. Yeah. Oh, nah.
lazy now, yeah.
Don't put vanity before humanity. Let us pray for all those people have been slain for money. Money can't buy life, no. Money can't buy life, no, Lord. Money can't buy life, no. Money can't buy life, no, Lord.
It will support your kids.
Your kids.
Make you bring out your wife.
Your wife.
Make you enjoy your days and full joy your nights. Money can make you live a nicest life. Book in a rich Carlton. Laugh for the price. Lobster tail pan grill. Crystal pan ice. Don't use your money and take no more life.
Money can't buy life, no. 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 If life was a thing money could buy, yeah, many rich men would be living today. None of them would die, yeah. When the word pass, ashes to ashes, yeah. There'll be no extra room, add on to your passage, no, no, no. I heard many men boast so many mills they have. None remember to call on the name of God, yeah. But if you think money can save your life, keep on living the way you do, even though it's not right. Money can't buy life, no. Money can't buy life, no. Money can't buy life, no. Money can't buy life.
Praise Rastafari,
no.
Tell me how you gonna pay, yeah. On the judgment day,
Judgment day, judgment day.
For the amount of people you slay, yeah. There is no getaway, no getaway. My people, you cannot put vanity in front of humanity. You must see life as a necessity, or this will cause chaos and animosity. They show no love amongst mankind. All I see is violence and crime.
Buy life. Money can't buy life.
Joe,
Money can't buy life.
praise God, live longer,
Money
man.
can't buy life.
It will support your kids, make you bring out your wife, make you enjoy your days and full joy your nights. Money can make you live the nicest life. Book in a rich Carlton. Laugh for the price. Lobster tail pan grill. Crystal pan ice. But don't use your money and take no more life.
From it that tell them, yeah.
Tell them.
Yes, get ready for them.
Right away.
Aye.
Watch this.
Hey.
Even though they put me through them tests, yeah. They clean the start up, pump blood in a them chest, yeah. Them no easy in a the west, yeah. I go on exodus like the great Robert Nesta. Them mind spoiled till it a festa. Them now go get no chance to pull I out like no Chester. They unite we like Manchester. Kabaka pyramid and Exco Levi come fit tell ya. Strive. Never let them get you down. No time we are strive. Hey, stumbling is not fall. Make sure you reach the finish line. Yeah. Strive. Never let them get you down. No time we are strive. Stumbling is not fall. Remove your butt from against the wall.
No, no, no. You got to keep the forward motion, no go on and all. Steady, made it through commotion and storm. You've done a lot of work, but you've got more to perform. Like when I'm sleepy, but still I got more shows to go on. Hey. In this game, many I play for take a life, but I am seeking for ways to try to make a better life. Hey. You may be happy and I may not dress alright, but I am strive for my goals with all my might. Yeah.
Kabaka we are strive. Never let them get me down. No time we are strive. Stumbling is not fall. Make sure you reach the finish line. We are strive. Never let them break
divided, missile leaving mankind misguided. United we stand, but fallen divided. Tell them to choose and them still undecided. Still the Almighty provided. I coulda Kabaka wanna Exco Levi alone. If I evil them I deal with, tell them to leave I alone. Nah, I'm no meat, but I'm a rebel to the bone. Still have to make it even without the comb. Because man I strive. Never let them get you down. No time we are strive. Stumbling is not fall. Make sure you reach the finish line. We are strive. Never let them get you down. No time we are strive. Stumbling is not fall. Remove your backs against the wall. Even though them put me through them test ya. The cleanest out up on blood in a them chest ya. Them no easy in a the west ya. I go on exodus like the great Robert Nesta. Them mind spoiled till it a festa. Them not go get no chance to pull out like no Chester. Can unite we like Manchester. Kabaka pyramid and Exco Levi come fi tell ya fi strive. Never let them get you down. No time we are strive. Hey, something is not fall. Make sure you reach the finish line. Yeah. Strive. Never let them get you down. No time we are strive. Something is not fall. Remove your back from against the wall.
Yeah, man, up on evil ones, you know.
We day up on the heights of the wings and a glide. And I give thanks for life and everything that she provides. Watch me cramp and paralyze. Yeah, the wicked on them plight. Kabaka get division through him third eyesight.
Them never know, say me a breed them. With me peripheral vision, I see them. Say them want me jump up like the leaf on the tree them. Pass me the fire key, make me steal them. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn and you burn down, dirty Babylon. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn and you burn down, dirty Babylon.
Incinerate them with consuming fire. Wicked stuff we melt well like tire. We don't care if them a listen to the wire. Burn a soul seller and a buyer. Lava down them dirty empire. None of them can't tell we nothing. The whole of them greedy and glutton. Can't yam with flesh like mutton. Couldn't mama heard the vampire them want govern. Kabaka chant earthquake watch the whole place go open. None of them can't escape. Whether the judgment early or late. We not negotiate. Skin fi get back, yeah. And fi out of them judgment, yo, we not hesitate.
Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn and you burn down, dirty Babylon. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn and you burn down, dirty Babylon. Them never know say we did up on the thing in Africa where the black man was crowned king. Civilization, now that's how we go bring. We take them from the wilderness, go sip up at the spring. Now them turn round slavery through the little money thing. More the pray we have traditional living. Them scientists and architects, them can't stop the pyramid building. So me people, them kill for your shilling. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn and you burn down, dirty Babylon.
We there up on the heights of the wings and a glide. And I give thanks for life for everything that she provides. Watch me cramp and paralyze the wicked on them plight. Kabaka Italo, we get division on the side. We show them how to live and how to dress and how to eat. But still they want to splash with blood on the concrete.
And enough ghetto youths now no shoes on them feet. Babylon system make them life no so neat.
We now go stop the work till the mission complete. Me know the buckle hot but the victory I go sweet.
Me show the rasta you them say them no fit compete with them one another when them trot through the streets. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you now. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn and you burn down, dirty Babylon. Them know the good, they do the evil. Hypocritical, them only come here to deceive you. Them know the good, they do the wrong. Burn and you burn down, dirty Babylon.
Italo
judgment upon Babylon. For all the wrongs you have done to our children. Kush, kush, kush. Act it up.
Yeah man, eternal fire, you know. This is Kabaka pyramid alongside Italo, Skarcha. And we say heart of fire upon Babylon and evil doers, you know. Yeah man, a real revolution in this time, you know.
Okay.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Release, wait, hey.
When me see Jah, me see a way. Drastically straight from hypocrisy, I say, hey. Every man to them own a philosophy. I live the proper way and then me read a chapter daily. Man, they in a city hungry and no eat. And food they down a country does a drop off of the tree then. You see, say poverty no real then. Is what the reason revealing.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes.
Hello.
And I suppose
Hello.
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves, yeah.
When the rain pit a pot on the roof, herb just a steam pepper pot on the stew. Life is a dream if you got gratitude. So go tell the regime them can't stop what we do now. Information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know if you learn every day? So be careful of things where you say.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes.
Hello.
And I suppose
Hello.
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves.
Africa in our soul, but a Jah in our heart. It is of importance for I and I gather. If we cannot show now a balance that we had, how do we propose then to carry it abroad? Cannot go to Ethiopia and you not have a plan. The building of a nation and a helper on. Every one a lover, one a man is just a man. It shall be a coronation when we land.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows,
Yeah, man.
sending love to my friends and foes.
Hello.
And I suppose
Hello.
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves, well.
And I say we just
Who
moving
knows?
on.
Who knows?
Yeah, man.
Who knows, babe?
We just move with Jah every time.
I'm pleased
And give
to
thanks,
be
you know.
chilling in the West Indies.
You see that smile on
Jah
me.
provide all my wants and my needs.
You know what I mean? No crime scene.
Rasta been trying a long time, so we have to make it.
Failing is not an option and an eye of it.
Everything I and I do, Babylon say it's wrong.
See, Babylon gone, you know, and them take no youth with
It's a
them.
good thing the youths them are strong.
Whoa, whoa.
And Babylon can keep us down.
Would never, you know.
So we chant on the wicked fall. The wolf them judgment I go big and tall. Better Africa,
Red out of fire,
better
yeah.
Africa one day.
Now stop chanting.
Better Africa, I say.
Nah, stop on the fire from Babylon, you know.
They can't
Babylon,
conquer
you know.
we.
Rasta been through up, Rasta been through down. Through all obstacles, Rastafari still around. Whether you come from uptown or you come from downtown, put a smile up on your face and remove those. Busters if we shoot first and ask question after. But look through your binocles, who you still see no Rasta. Who them a fight against? You not see a Rasta. Who fight for them? You not see a Rasta. Who them a scorn? You not see a Rasta. Who plant the corn? You not see a Rasta. I still set a prime example. So I hold the yard and that I live up to. Power, what some little hurry come up to. Can't tell I what to do and what not to. Ask why we burn them today, we say we have to. Slew them today, so tomorrow we don't have to.
So better have to come one day.
It must come, you know.
Better have to come, yeah.
We never stop chanting, you know.
Better have to come one day.
Babylon never knows that some real Pushites they are seeing me. I see a bad name, them a try get rasta. Long locks pan head and all a junk and stagger. I couldn't this, the emperor set it for. I couldn't this Marcus Garvey trot for. I couldn't this Bob Marley chant for. Sister Nanny woulda say I know this she fight for. So big up every Kushites and all rasta. Who know where them a fight, them know where them a fight for.
Rasta been trying a long, long time, so we have to make it.
And we'll never stop the fight, you know.
Everything I do, Babylon say it's wrong.
Think Babylon surprised that some youth they are fight, you know.
It's a good thing the youths them are strong.
Never give it up,
Babylon,
you know.
Babylon can keep us down,
but never.
So we chant on the wicked fuck.
Hotter.
With them judgment I go big and tall. Better Africa, better Africa one day.
It must come, you know.
Better Africa one day. Better Africa, they can conquer we.
Through the great Malcolm X, better Africa. Through the great Martin Luther, better Africa. Through the vice of the wheelers, better Africa. Barack Obama break the spell, better Africa. Rosa Parks on the bus front, better Africa. Through the great Maya Angelou, better Africa. And the great Miss Lou, better Africa. And the cushion up a pinnacle, better Africa.
Cause it Africa better, can't get no worse. Forward we go with Rastaman and reverse. It Africa better, can't get no worse. Forward we go with Rastaman and reverse. It Africa better, can't get no worse. Forward we go with Rastaman and reverse. It Africa better, can't get no worse. Forward we go with Rastaman and reverse. Better Africa.
Radics and Stephenson, my friend. Bam bang. You from around. Now they're gonna watch you out to the rude ones. Stevie, they're telling the truth. Boom shit.
Gangster life is not a joking thing.
Better watch your flex and what you're smoking, king.
Every day you get up with your gunman thing.
Tell me what you think it's gonna bring.
Boom shit. Paper soldier get crushed on the battlefield.
Plastic tigers, they melt on the battlefield.
To be a real survivor,
spine and fit tougher than steel.
So why I tell you this right now?
You got to change your ways somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Oh yeah.
I tell you this right now.
Got to change your ways somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Whoa, yeah.
I treat me no one.
Bar with me think no bad feels that me can't. Them want me pop it off and me tell them me nah. Righteousness that to spill from my jaw.
Sure.
What?
We tell them this. Paper soldier get crushed on the battlefield.
Plastic tigers they melt on the battlefield.
To be a real survivor,
spine after tougher than steel.
So why I tell them this right now?
You got to change your ways somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Whoa, yeah.
So why I tell you this right now?
Got to change your ways somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Stevie, they're telling the truth. It's enough man no give Jahja no glory.
They wanna live the devil's story.
Soon after that they'll fade away. Whoa, whoa.
We tell them this. Paper soldier get crushed on the battlefield.
Plastic tigers they melt on the battlefield.
To be a real survivor,
spine and fit tougher than steel.
So why I tell them this right now?
You got to change your ways somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Oh yeah.
I tell you this right now.
Got to change your ways somehow.
Let me tell you this right now.
I love man, I deal with a ya. Whoa yeah. Sure.
Gangster life is not a joking thing.
Better watch your flex and what you smoking, king.
Every day you get up with your gunman thing.
Tell me what you think.
Again. Sweet music in the background, and the wine is so fine. Soft and dim those candlelights sets the mood to the night. Easy flowing conversation. Ooh, such great entertainment. 'Cause I'm feeling the vibe. I wanna be your friend. When will we be together again? Baby, won't you tell me when? When will I get to see you again? When will I see you? I wanna be your friend. When will we get together again? I wanna be your friend. I've been here for 3 weeks now, and I'll be leaving on Wednesday. Won't be back for a year or so. Yeah, but I guarantee I will stay in touch. So take good care of yourself until then. When will I get to see you again? When will I see you? I wanna be your friend. When will we be together again? When will I get to see you again? When will I see you again? When will we get together again? Real soon. No, I wanna be your friend. Hey, it's so nice meeting up with you. We did a really great show. Maybe in a distance, you'll never know whatever. George, you should know by now how we feel about each other. Whatever will be, will be. Oh, Donna, when will I get to see you again? When will I see you again? When we'll be together. When will I get to see you again? When will I see you? Wanna be your friend. Oh, Donna. When will I get to see you again? When will I see you?
I was such a fool. Yes, I lost my head, didn't know how to keep my cool. Here's what I did. I left my baby behind. Not even a rose for her Valentine. Hope everything will be fine. And when I get home, my baby will still be mine. I left my baby behind. Not even a rose for her Valentine. Hope everything will be fine. And when I get home, my baby will still be mine. Talking to myself the other day about my baby Joan. Oh, telling me that I was such a fool, a real come around. Yes. How could you have your queen at home and not let her know? Whoa, how much you love, how much you care, how much you cherish her everglow. Oh, I left my baby behind. Not even a rose for her Valentine. Hope everything will be fine. And when I get home, my baby will still be mine. I left my baby behind with not even a rose for her Valentine. Hope everything will be fine. And when I get home, my baby will still be mine. Let your group come again and let love set sail. Whoa. I wanna put you in the finest things, my dear. That's right. And make it slip round your finger and glitz on your wrist like ice. Oh, 'cause you deserve the finer things in life. 'Cause you're so nice. Here's what I did. I left my baby behind. Not
even a rose for her Valentine. Hope everything will be fine. And when I get home, my baby will still be mine. I left my baby behind with not even a rose for her Valentine. Believe me that I will cry if I should get home and buck up on Joe Grind. Such a fool, here's what I did. I left my baby behind, not even a rose for her Valentine. Hope everything will be fine. And when I get home, my baby will still be mine. I left my baby behind, not even a rose for her Valentine. Believe me that I will cry if I should get home and buck up on Jojo. I left my baby behind, not even a rose for her Valentine. Hope everything will be fine. And when I get home, my baby will still be mine. I'm gonna try one more time to make you mine. Oh, my baby. I left my baby behind. Oh, and such a fool was I.
By themselves when they should all be thinking of getting to know themselves. While life goes on, everyone's got to stand strong. You can't surrender, no, 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 no. Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Wondering if I have any sense. Something tells me I'm a fool to let me treat you so cruel. Nevertheless, I said again, you've got me waiting, sitting in the park, waiting for you.
This girl, I remember from the start. I remember this girl from the first day we talked. I remember when the rain met us in the park. I remember we were there from noon until dawn. Yo, she consecrate my brain. I gave her my heart. Love penetrate my veins. She said we'll never part. Now a youth is in my name. Forever be my mark. She bear a lot of pain and gain a lot of stretch mark. But you know I love you, girl. Nothing changed your feeling. And baby girl, you gave me a lot of feelings. So me, my sweetness, you're more than appealing. And nothing else other than good love is revealing. Now look at us, we're so strong and courageous. It is a very good thing. Love save us, a beautiful child. The Almighty gave us, we're more than blessed. No one will ever slave us.
Tell her nothing change, things remain the same. Nothing rearrange, let good loving reign. And if something change, none of you to be blamed. Just free your mind, eliminate pain. Nothing change, things remain the same. Nothing rearrange, let good loving reign. And if something change, none of us to be blamed. Just free your mind and eliminate pain. Oh, he's got a whole lot of love in his heart for you, girl. Take my word.
Yeah. Good life, I thank you for this little goddess. Remind me of my mommy. Extremely modest attitude and attributes. Make her someone is never in a mix up now. No less elaborate, I gave her all my love. She's the gladdest, cause when it comes to love, man and a novice, she's calmer than a dove. So I put her in my palace. Even though we argue, we never yet malice.
Tell her nothing change, things remain the same. Nothing rearrange, let good loving reign. And if something change, none of them not to be blamed. Free your mind and eliminate pain. Oh, nothing change, things remain the same. Nothing rearrange, let good loving reign. If something change, none of them not to be blamed. Free up your mind and eliminate pain. It's got a whole lot of love in his heart for you, girl. And you can take my word. Jano. I make sure know got a whole lot of love in my heart for you, girl. Take my word.
This woman give me happiness, the greatest wealth. When I'm weak and weary, she support me like my belt. She bring no burden, so me no worry myself. She give me good food and maintain my health, yeah. I really love the way she keep me on the double. Occupy my time and she take me out of trouble. Woman that love ya where we have that on another level. Always make me happy, never make me miserable.
Tell her nothing change, things remain the same. Nothing rearrange, let good loving reign. And if something change, none of them not to be blamed. Free your mind and eliminate pain. Oh, nothing change, things remain the same. Nothing rearrange, let good loving reign. If something change, none of them not to be blamed. Free your mind and eliminate pain.
God, this is the man we should live with. Nah, cheat or fight. Yo, tell her stop.
Girl, I want you to come over, baby. I'm waiting here for you. All I ask is for a moment of your time.
Just one moment.
Didn't need to be so forward, but it seems the time is right. You haven't smiled in a while, and it seems to be so bright. I've been hearing all the rumors about the things that's been going down.
Boy, man, tell it hurt me too.
And the way that he's treating you is so wrong.
So wrong, girl, yeah.
Girl, let me be the one to take away your pain. Bring you the joy you've been looking for, so you'll smile again. Oh, don't let him treat your love this way. Oh, don't be afraid to walk away. A real man you need in your life.
A real man.
Give me a chance and not to think twice. You'll be loved, girl. You'll be loved.
Okay, baby girl, can I play you a song? From my box guitar, cause in box upon your Jordan. And each chord I've been holding it for you, playing in melodies for you. Hoping Jah will see you through, yes. The man you love, not treat you right. Come home late at night and always want to fight. Gamble up the red money, I drink it in a white spade. Then I owe him so bright. Me tell you, time to move on, August town to reside. A real Rasta man where you want in your life. To treat you like a princess, not just to call you wife. You gotta do what's right, girl. You need a love that will last forever. And I don't really like that young man's behavior. Before you think to give him another dance, give me friend the way that
treat your love this way.
I never let you treat you that way, girl.
Don't be afraid to walk away.
Don't be afraid to walk away. No, no,
a real man you need in your life.
A real man.
No chance enough to think twice. You'll be loved, girl. You'll be loved. Baby, every time you gave your heart, it seemed to be in vain. And I know you've been searching for that change. And I don't profess to be that perfect man, but I'll do the best that I can.
The both of us, we used to dream of happily ever after. But now it's disaster. We don't even try anymore. I don't wanna go to a place without you. I don't wanna fight anymore. I live in this life just to say I need you. Can't see you walk through the door. Cause baby, if you leave, my heart goes with you. I can't say goodbye. The silence is so very loud. It echoes in the house. There used to be such joy around, but now it's only doubt. We used to love, we used to trust. I knew it would be forever and grow old together, but we don't even try anymore. I don't wanna go to a place without you. I don't wanna fight anymore. I live in this life just to say I need you. Can't see you walk through the door. Cause baby, if you leave, my heart goes with you. I wanna say goodbye.
Me wanna walk out the door, me mind still in the bedroom. Me pretty bride and me used to be your best groom. One mind says stay, one mind says cut disagreements and fight, make up to break cup. Now me just realize there the problem lies right in front my eyes. Me have to be wise and compromise for the sake of love. Still the answer think twice. Baby pointing fingers, that's not right, and I'll take the blame just to avoid the fight. You can't pound foolish and penny wise. Do not listen to this just because them tell many lies. Lovers and friends, let's strengthen the ties. Level vibes, this love affair should be televised. Cause when me analyze the conclusion arise, the Father sent you as my angel in this guise.
We don't even try anymore. I don't wanna go to a place without you. I don't wanna fight anymore. Living this life just to say I need you. Can't see you walk through the door. Cause baby, if you leave, my heart goes with you.
You share me
say goodbye.
Yeah, hey, when me reminisce the way we used to kiss and the way we hold each other together, I don't wanna miss something like this. I want this love to go on forever. I don't wanna go really and truly. I can't let my ego get the best of me. I really need you, baby.
It's the way we feel. It's very, very real, serious. Why don't you see? It's not supposed to be the both of us we used to dream of happily ever.
A deeper truth I found in you. Love is automatic when you're lying next to me, and I'm so glad we've got it. Automatic chemistry, love is automatic. When you're loving me like this, and I'm so glad we've got it. Automatic.
It's automatically, naturally, me tell you how me feel. I'm gonna keep it real. You like the foundation with the cement and the block, me have the steel. Baby girl, here's the deal. You're sensitive like about the person out the list. Worse when you put on the rope, the one about the list. Me love to see your body shiver when me touch you, yes. You get me I like when the country bless. Cause I promise to be honest with you, and all my life me feel a total warmness. And it's oneness, the chemistry's automatic. We work it out like a mathematics. And I promise to be honest with you, and all my life me feel a total warmness. And it's oneness, sentimentally attached to me, physically automatic.
One heart, you and me. One love, eternally. When
it's cold, I keep you warm. We can weather any storm forward. Said we'll keep moving on and on and on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But when you're lying next to me, and I'm so glad we got it. Automatic chemistry, love is automatic. When you're loving me like this, and I'm so glad we've got it.
Marcia.
Automatic.
Your love is automatic, but I'm giving you the stick shift. And if you're down, me will make your spirit lift. Automatic love, my friend, in your arms, in your arms, in your arms. Me love how your dress match the color of your lipstick. It's automatic cause natural is the mystic. And me welcome you with all of your charms. In my arms, baby. Me know you love me and me not fi wonder if I no boat or canoe. This I love you not drift. Me give thanks for you because you are the Lord's gift. And even if the clutch went out, the gears can shift, yeah. Real love, something you can't ignore nor hold back. No fight the feeling, it's like a sexual healing. Automatic love, you can know that.
Love is automatic. When you're lying next to me, and I'm so glad we've got it. Automatic chemistry, love is automatic. When you're loving me like this, and I'm so glad we've got it. Automatic.
Again.
Ooh, yeah.
Feel it.
Da 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 da. Love is automatic.
Kind of
Lying next to me.
Can you
Got it.
Hey, Larry. Sing for the Empress.
I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me so soft and so gently. I need that remedy. Emergency.
Gotta have you.
I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me so soft and so gently. I need that remedy.
Remember the first time we made that thing, girl. I love that thing you do to let it win, girl. You took my mind away, I can't think, girl. Just couldn't be without you. All phones off, we're not taking a call. Take it from the bedroom, go straight to the hall. Remember the time the dung I done drip a fall. Just couldn't be without you.
Emergency. I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me so soft and so gently. I need that remedy. Emergency. I need my Empress love so urgently.
I need you right now.
The way she touched me so soft and so gently. I need that remedy.
Listen to Percy's sledge coming from the jukebox. Girl, it drive me crazy when you play them locks. Touching on your back and you reach your climax. Pelpa take you there because the rest know the spot. Give you warm tender loving right round the clock. Pleasure me, I bring your car sex now for hot. Man, a top class rider from the race, me no back. Can't lose no woman, come got it like that.
Emergency.
I need you, girl.
Just like that, my Empress love so urgently. Just the way she touched me so soft and so
girl, I'm
gently.
nothing.
I need that remedy. Emergency, yeah. I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me so soft and so gently. I need that remedy.
So give me the woman them. I'm not take no shot, give me the woman them. Straight up to the max, give me the woman them. Whether she brown or she black, give me the woman them. Give me the woman them. Give me the woman them. When the time I get cold, give me the woman them. In my arms now to hold, give me the woman them. I'm getting out of control, give me the woman them. Give me the woman them.
Emergency. I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me so soft and so gently. I need that remedy. Emergency. I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me so so soft and so gently.
It's just different.
I need that remedy.
I need you.
Emergency. I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me, so soft and so gently. I need that remedy. Emergency.
Without you, life got no purpose.
I need my Empress love so urgently. The way she touched me, so soft and so gently.
Loneliness is driving me crazy.
Emergency.
One touch, you like my daily complete.
Touch me so gently. Touch me, I need you remedy. Emergency.
Love me and I will love you. Touch me and I will touch you. Bless me and I will bless you. Love is all we need.
Love me and I will love you. Touch me and I will touch you. Bless me and I will bless you. Love is all we need. Love is the future.
A virtuous woman is who I'm defending. Real love, trust and understanding. Full of grace, committed, kind and true. I'd give my love to you.
A real man, all my life I've been searching. Strong in mind, body and soul. One who's willing to listen and support me with love. Worth more than gold.
Love me and I will love you.
Love me.
Touch me and I will touch you.
Touch me.
Bless me and I will bless you. Love is all we need. Love is the future.
Love me and I will love you. Touch me and I will touch you. Bless me and I will bless you. Love is all we need. Love is the future. The love I have for you, it is so good inside.
I feel the same way too. This love I can't end.
Through thick and thin, through ups and downs, we will survive.
Well, thank the Almighty, this love will survive.
Oh love, what a love. This love, our love. Sweet love, real love.
Strong love, blessed love. Love me and I will love you. Touch me and I will touch you. Bless me and I will bless you. Love is all we need. Love is the future. Love me and I will love you. Touch me and I will touch you. Bless me and I will bless you. Love is all we need. Love is the future.
See and Deb, you been to your blind.
Believe me. 60 alongside Tony Curtis. Hey, you mean a star? Believe me.
Shoe up. It bring disgrace.
Come to them youth,
the track of this a man, should be mumble as a lamb.
Know yourself.
With a peace face. Shoe up. It bring disgrace.
John no star.
The track of this a man, should be mumble as a lamb.
I do want to cut this. Never talk to the little boy I man. Long run but the easy fi catch. Go make you this the Banton, you show no this the flex. You know, people say you are the main suspect. Can't come back by the corner, can't make no more. We look simple when we walk, we look easy when we talk. Enough love to this and don't know the full ass fight. Body chalk like from the asphalt. Them other ball out.
Shoe up.
Yeah.
It bring disgrace.
Don't disrespect.
Never drag on this a man to be mumble as a lamb. We end up with a peace face. Shoe up. It bring disgrace. Never drag on this a man to be mumble as a lamb. We end up with peace face.
Whosoever want to test to put them life in a mess. Can't get me clue right no matter how them guess. Some confused, some mind abuse. This job boy fuse. Brutalize all of them plan not even one them can't use. Be up, calm yourself if you want get safe. Don't pressure on yourself, not just a dig no one a grave. We large and expand to the world and beyond. Only them can't get rid of it. So we say
Shoe up. It bring disgrace. Like a this a man to be
bubble as a lamb, we end up with a peace face. Oh yeah. Shoot up, shoot up, shoot up.
Where you wanna come from? Tell them.
Bubble and so enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it. Blow up your feel and make a chant it. So make we burn down Babylon, them can't burn down. We come Babylon, so enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it. So blow up your feel and make we chant it. And burn down Babylon, them can't burn down. We come. Tell them.
Hey, they enough. Tell them. Can't done. Light up. For make your blaze the blue. They enough. Tell them high grade never done. He could free the other one that mentioned the Nooks. They enough. Tell them. Can't done. Light up. For make your blaze the true. Me they enough. Tell them high grade never done. I don't know what was next. It's a light of them here.
So enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it. Blow up your feel and make we chant it. So make we burn down Babylon, them can't burn down. We come Babylon, so enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it. So blow up your feel and make we chant it. And burn down Babylon, them can't burn down. We come.
When all I come the far, when we not searching Rasta man, follow call long man say legalize. Tell the police them no give me no vacancy. Go free a cure, that's what we long for. Stop make cigarette got doctor cancer. Big up every non every youngster. And your things that I see I the real conqueror.
So enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it. Blow up your feel and make a chant it. So burn down Babylon, them can't burn down. Babylon, so enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it. So blow up your feel and make a chant it. Burn down Babylon, them can't burn down. Come.
Come on back out, me use and burn out the station. Crack and cocaine, the one we give it to the nation. Babylon, them a pagan, them a good friend to Reagan. They don't want no meditation, and be a frustration. Long time I'm gonna tell them it's the healing for the nation. So all of the man, make me soon be done. Man sleep and real man feed and boom, I got that in the station.
Babylon, so enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it.
Yes, so like I'm saying.
You feel and make a chant it. So make we burn down Babylon, them can't burn down. Babylon, so enough to plant it. But we supply because them want it.
You're right.
Blow up your feel and make a chant it. And burn down Babylon, them can't burn down.